Okay, what's your name?
Stephanie?
And what are you going to be doing today?
I don't know.
Alright, well, I'll tell you what we're going to be doing. I will give you this wonderful $20 bill if you can do something for me.
What?
Well, I want you to take these, put them on, and get out of them. I'm going to give you a whole 5 minutes to do it.
Yay.
Right there.
Hey, don't I get to put them on?
No.
You said I did.
I lied. Alright. The time right now, if I check my phone, would be 9:40. Perfect. When it's 9:45, game's over.
Can I have the paper clip?
Sure. Go find one.
You needed a paper clip.
I'm gonna give her $20 if she can get out of there in 5 minutes. Don't fall down the stairs there.
Yes.
Here, turn towards the light.
Wow.
I'm not gonna stop you from doing anything, I'm just filming.
Ow! I can't even slip it over my wrist.
Here, try this one.
Oh, okay, I give up. I can't even. This hurts this wrist so much. Okay, I give up.
You give up?
Yeah.
Are you gonna forfeit the challenge?
Yeah.
And throw away a wonderful $20? Are you sure? Alright, well, I guess then I'll have to give you the key, right?
Yeah.
Think about it. Okay, fine, I'll be nice. Roll over. I'll bust you out. That one's off. Push.
You're free, my love.
One more. And we got that one off. Whoa. Hold on there, Sparky.
It's stuck. I can slip out of it, it's okay.
Alright. You failed. No $20 for you.
Okay, give it to my sister.
Alright.